sun. There's some trees. See? Sun, trees. Let's go scrapping. Broken shovel. Sure. It's an exciting way to start the adventure, eh? Yep. Oof. That's kind of disgusting. Really. Kind of disgusting. Know what that is, but it's pretty heavy for what it is. Here I am blocking the road. I mean, technically, am I really the one blocking the road when that car is the one parked in the lane? I mean, I don't know. Mr. Coffee. Look at this. This is unacceptable. Empty truck. It's unacceptable. Moppage. Nothing good. Well, we did have a pretty decent weekend. We found a washer and a dryer and a stove and a microwave on Friday night from Facebook Marketplace. So it was too dark outside to film, and plus, you know, whatever, but we done okay there. People posting some free things on the marketplace. Hopefully once it starts warming up, people will start cleaning their garages and mini barns and sheds out. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Let's see what it is. What it is. What it is, it's got rust. What it is, a filing cabinet. Yeah, that won't stay. That's okay. It's a rusty filing cabinet. You can file all your rusty metal. I think. A couple of pans and an old skateboard. Kryptonics. We'll have to spin the wheels and see if the bearings are good. Maybe I'll throw Damien on the skateboard and See how long it lasts. Yeah, brother. Found some goodies. How's it going? And we'll put this right on top of that. Probably strap it down here in a while, but since I've got that in there, we're probably guaranteed to find a washing machine or a stove or something, you know, because that helium steel takes up the entire bed. So that's my luck, but we'll see. That might actually be plastic. Oh well. These GMs are super goofy. So when I turn my hazards on, if I hit my brake lights, my hazards don't flash. I have brake lights. Kinda, I don't know, kinda dumb. Fan. Yes, please. Fan. Thank you. Nothing. Half a penny, maybe. If I had more room, I'd pick those up, put them on Marketplace. Oh well. Alright, I'm gonna strap this down while this guy here watches me. Weirdo. And then I've got one more thing that I found on the marketplace for free to go pick up. It's just something kind of small, but they said they left it out on their porch, so once I get this done, strap down and we'll go pick that up. So stay with me here. Oh, come on. Yep, I'll get this done and then we'll head over there. You believe it? That guy watched me the whole time. Didn't even help. Sheesh. People are just lazy. Just wanted to act like he's walking the entire time, I guess. I don't know. Alright, let's go pick this thing up I found on Marketplace. Alright, supposed to be on the porch. But of course. Well, we've got a sink and wet feet. Alright, well, that's gonna do it for today, unless I find something on the way to the thrift store, which is unlikely. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.